and that me no can say uko social media so eja very butu between Encancer Lewin and the Funny Face. We be baby say na Lewin the Funny Face there ba na saying e den dey see na asem no me bom ntremu. Answer never to us on the subscribe and not click the notification bell no and no end the screen so see here. We understand latest news be about one sa ebeka. It's here for quickly yanko assembly mu. Assembly. Number 1 Ghanaian blogger. I friend is Zion Felix. Echo interview in Encancer Lewin. And Encancer Lewin kasa bebre ne do baby and on Encancer Lewin eka say what 2019 Ghana Movies Awards are more organized yet. Nipa kra wo organize your friend Fred Nyama. Wase wo sha Fred Nyama ye award ne say ne basa. Because nkofofo ye ne nanfofo nkoa na the awards ne ma wo mo. Obi ti say Funny Face. Wo share award category best actor of the year. Na Funny Face ewom Akrobeto ono Lewin and other people na. Nanka eni kwanse wo bi katrel say eyo no Lewin no enanka wo se wo wini. They can best actor in Ghana nanka eyo no Lewin no. Adenti ena tese award ye de ma Funny Face. Na Funny Face kra ye de award de ma na ye boni din kra no no kra ne ho popo. Na enu hu nti esan say award no enye Funny Face dia nti. Funny Face amane din no atia da form sisia me ne wo kasa. Na Funny Face be ya won concentrate on enkrama na won nyen no na won jai movie no ye can best actor Funny Face wonim. So what dream say me boa yengo tie that side of the interview en sema Encancer Lewin what they etuja
Ghana YouTube ne munye movie better how they ko oko sama nkran kwa yo nyina na ke kaze favorite actor in Ghana, can you pass me ye friend bianto nchen beta mu ntwa me for na iba favorite actor in Ghana o de man wan kan kre ana men kan go bana he akobotuwom nuwom kwakuma nuwom bande ka obiawum ena kuma ai Funny Face na Funny Face deserve favorite actor di pan kre I said you go esa kwadum what want to be you go yan krama no best actor you can pass ni kwa ba kupo enti wenya kana yana sa award no we be obey kama sa fe so ko na wo diska selfish interest scanty woje nya shifta mawi ready appointment sa so jiso ani nyam kan petam woje favorite actor wono aje kwa no papa no afini ya ball win imagine
that is kojo na e kan nza me kwasho na me
ora so be ni nyama favorite actor na ko ja show be ni nyama me to bombo wi on family nyane dia
you heard it right. Lewin and a work can see a favorite actor in Ghana. Na kan to me pass na e fan koma Funny Face. Funny Face no wo be ye actor da ben. Na obi a wonim Funny Face bia nim say Funny Face nso de wo obi a social media ho oda ho edidi wo ho edware wo ho. It is a wonim na okoya fen e fa ne ho wo be ba bonten na bodi bia begu so etiefo na senior Funny Face ababe di Encancer Lewin na tema ke kan se ma fa ne ho no ha me hu se Funny Face di obi atem sada atembi die ni na Funny Face post our troye making kan ya trail was say kojo Encancer you are so envious of everybody. You wish everything in this world is yours. People like you end up miserable in life. Was Encancer Lewin when you brio bia would ye e ka won kwa nanka de papa bi wo wiase mu nanka wo pe e nanka yemfa nini na emma na nkrofo te se wo Encancer Lewin no obo se abrabo no obo hu ne se na aye basa ama because when you brad ye I say you are in so much pain kojo. I pray the Jehovah Almighty bring you out of this evil place in one piece. You have fought everybody around you. Was Encancer Lewin woni wo bia wo ben ni bia akontokwa na asema wo ken se wo kaya Lewin first no ni kweku menu ena na nanti bom ena ni kweku menu be kon ye Lewin ena ona kasa ni manager Zack ena nanti bom oni Zack ebe kon ye Lewin ena na top K ena nanti bom oni top K be go nti the Funny Face kan se wo de Lewin yi obi a no ben obi a wo bo a obi a no woni na akon e wo wiase we mu Lewin nankasa ne yere wone no ebenya ntokwa bia na enye easy. I say now you wanna bring it on funny face. You says you know they fear the name. I don't worship lesser gods like you. I say cancel the way no funny face no. Men fa man so. Now no funny face one so na bosom to say wo le win. Hey. It's here for enye easy o in somewhere funny face e kan. I say le win some bosom. I say I worship the most high God. I am bigger than you both spiritually and physically. Was it no funny face? Was something le way no susumu hunemu was something le when cry. I say never try. Give thanks to funny fans who are stopping me. Was it same way see ya or no funny face? The fans and the supporters trying to say funny face so they men kasa. I say we put their one cash na kan someone no person work no. Why lucky send them crop one eka say mo nkasa. I say like it go over you. I say I pray you can read this though to change. Funny face. I say mo. I say when you are no. Wo bomba say le win ebetumi akenkan no akenkan wi a na we sia nyansa efirimu na tese wo de asesa na brabo. But see, don't try to bring your evil eyes and deed on me. Tie was in the win when you be a bonsam it's in the evil eyes sasa bonsam any meaning evil no ye can do twi mu say em say bonsam na na ye beka no it was in evil eyes mo fa mba wono ne so tese ne nyuma ya wo ya tese bonne bonsam nyama wono le wonye no mo try so de ba wono funny face so na ahase na edidi atem ne baaye was a wo fu say bola so etifo ahase ene edidi atem no I say wo fu say bola so abuafunu fem ayefo I say obi beka say no me jeje hu too much masa ya asema onu funny face atro na make kan yo because baby am stress no ho no wo ye ni bebre wo say ohofo no na ko ye no if you are na ke beka no ohofo boy no if you not to say wo chim ohofo say bola so abuafunu abua no ye ni bebre abuafunu fem ayafo enne wunso wo kan bi wasi film any stardom ayafo mende le win so e kan bi tese wo kasa wo twi mu onti twi na me read ya trem no enye se brofo na me translate you e di atemi de wo ye ni twi lie because e di atemi ko ye ni brofo ya na enye de wo ye ni twi ya na ewo ni pakoma akoma ni veins and the arteries no ewo mu osi wo bada ben ono funny face e ka tell le win say wo le win wo bada ben wo ya abuafunu fem ayafo e ma ye ken bia wo so wo ken bi o we lo so de brofo no eso so say your own evil plans will kill you tasa lewe nankasa no ni nsusu ye bone a wo efa nkrofo ho no ebeku won no ankasa lewe no o say I am the apple of God's eye tasa won no funny face wo ye nyankopon ne ni apple nyankopon ne ni apple on no funny face so don't try. Why you say who sapo na who sapo say den funny face oni medidi atemo o say why you say who sapo o say why you say who sapo Kasua Van Dam e go over you bring it on etiefo hey asemaba edidi atepeni abufu no who sapo media na kamenti huhuro support krada me ba ya se momenti ade efe ne huhuro trese utu se na wodin atem no na so funny face wu ni asantini nso wo ye nkrani tie ba ne se na utumi di atem wa asantimu sa tro asanti di ni patem sei etiefo obi be bisa me say nti asem no and no anything first before I saw funny face ni reaction ne kran no anopano na menya notification say Zion Felix a posted video way and I may yes I may kwakoshe na one me kwahwe ye no frankly speaking the American woman trim say oh asema lewe nkan ne de lewe na nya de because for me meetie Lewin is being arrogant. Ya koye say ensem ankrofo e kan fa Lewin ho say wo ye arrogant or ye arrogant na ya ye ne kre because say ya Lewin e kan say ye can best actor na ka obetumi apa me ho dia koma funny face. I mean seriously, you don't say things like this in public. Wo bia che say unko obia fo mo ya na yo say wo na che say farmer of the year. It's a whole way so bad but I can't send me say make I said that be Lewin and Yade. But then again I was thinking into in some Lewin kind the way I think that Lewin actually has a point. Muntie me ye. Lewin has a point and he actually has an issue to debate on. But senior will put in a point across no and no na meant here. Because yeah can the 2019 me in particular I never heard say Funny Face now why movie be. All I was seeing from Funny Face they say ebia microphone na air signing no was Instagram ne nyama. I didn't see a lot of movies from Funny Face. For Funny Face to win Best Actor of the Year in 2019, I feel say asema na Lewin e kana ababi wom, but say na Lewin e dey asem na etu dwa and no e na say Lewin asem. That is my thought on it. Munche mo adwen e wo comment box ni mo. Pedase.